475 SRP na lang.
Naghahanap ka ba ng catering service on occasions like weddings, birthday, baptismal, Christmas party at iba pa? Belagi's Catering by Laling Sustento. Ano pang kailangan mo? Sound and light, church decorations and venue styling, event planner and OTD or on-the-day coordinators? Meron kami niyan. Message us on Facebook, Belagi's Catering, or call us on 0995-416-2708 or 0916-241-9771. Belagi's Catering.
Ate, magkano sa Champion Super Clean 35 grams?
475 pesos.
Ha? Champion sa linis, 475? Champion sa bango, 475?
Oo, 475 na nga lang!
Champion Super Clean. Dating 550, 475 SRP na lang.
Hanap mo ba ay sariling bahay na malapit sa mall, school, ospital at higit sa lahat malapit sa bayan? Narito na ang isa sa mga leading real estate developers sa Southern Tagalog, Calmar Land. Bilang selebrasyon ng kanilang 35th anniversary, inihahandog sa inyo ang Sonrisa San Pablo. Sa abot kayang halaga, ang pangarap mong bahay mapapasayo na. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Book your tripping at www.sonrisasanpablo.com or call us on 0918-908-3001. Kita-kits San Pableños. Embrace the art of joyful living at Sonrisa San Pablo.
Think of one thing that's common in tricycles, jeepneys, and buses. Common in malls, bazaars, and stalls, bungalows, condos, and apartments. In your office, in your bedroom. It's in every MP3, MP4 players, and even in your cell phones. It's amazingly common all over. It's like there's no escaping it. Now think, what is this one thing? And think what it can do for you.
Advertise on Love Radio. Call on 710-6534. Love Radio,
where advertising works.
Ikaw, para sa'yo, what is love?
Willing to sacrifice, but easy at the same time.
Yung bigla ka nalang napapangiti pag naisip mo siya.
Bumiyahe ng 8 oras para mag-surprise ng taong hindi sigurado.
Hindi ko siya maipaliwanag kung saan na lang siyang nararamdaman.
Love is full of sacrifice and compromise.
Dear Love, araw-araw sa Love Radio mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, nationwide.
Sunday Afternoon Love Drive.
Afternoon Love Drive.
Sunday Afternoon Love Drive. Bacola.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
And enjoy.
And enjoy the ride.
Sunday Afternoon Love Drive.
Minsan sa may